Daily English sentences. Wake up. Wake up early in the morning. Go to sleep. Go to sleep now. Take a shower. Take a shower after playing. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. I want to rest. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth every morning. Get ready. Get ready for school. Speak slowly. Speak slowly, please. Don't be late. Don't be late for class. What did you say? What did you say just now? Listen carefully. Listen carefully to the teacher. I understand. I understand the lesson. I don't understand. I don't understand this word. Please repeat it. Please repeat it again. I agree with you. I agree with you completely. That's right. That's right. You are correct. Really? Really? I didn't know that. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? That's wrong. That's wrong. Try again. I don't agree. I don't agree with your idea. Be quiet. Be quiet in the class. Stop talking. Stop talking and listen. Come with me. Come with me to the market. Of course. Of course, I can help you. I am sorry. I'm sorry for being late. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. What do you want? What do you want to eat? I am thirsty. I am thirsty after running. I want water. I want water to drink. I want food. I want food. I am hungry. It's okay. It's okay, don't worry. What's the matter? What's the matter with you? I am sick. I am sick today. I have a headache. I have a headache right now. I have a fever. I have a fever. I need rest. Call the doctor. Call the doctor quickly. Be patient. Be patient and stay calm. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's hot. Let's start. Let's start our work. It's too late. It's too late to go now. Let's eat. Let's eat together. It's delicious. It's delicious. I love it. I am full. I'm full. I can't eat more. Clean the table. Clean the table after dinner. Wash your hands. Wash your hands before eating. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV, please. Turn it off. Turn it off before sleeping. Bring your bag. Bring your bag with you. Let's go out. Let's go out for a walk. Be on time. Be on time for school. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at school.